students of class 9. Today I'll teach you one more new story, The Adventure of Toto. What is Toto? I'll tell you. Toto is the name of a monkey. Okay. This story is very interesting story. I'll tell you the main points of it. The first slide I'll show you. It is the story about, narrator has written about his grandfather. What his grandfather has done, he has purchased a monkey from a Tonga driver. Tonga driver means the horse cart. Okay. So this grandfather has purchased one monkey, and the name of the monkey is Toto. But he started creating a lot of nuisance. Okay. Toto was actually doing a lot of mischief. He was not a gentle animal. He was doing a lot of mischief. The narrator's grandfather had a lot of other animals also in his zoo. He has his private zoo. Okay. So narrator's grandfather kept Toto tied with a peg. His grandfather has made one nail and hook on the wall and tied Toto or the monkey along with that. Okay. But when Toto was kept there, he started destroying the walls, the papers, the paintings, and whatever the household items are there, he started destroying one by one because he was very mischievous. Okay. So what grandfather can do? Grandfather has to transfer the animal, Toto. He has to transfer Toto to a large cage in the servant quarter. He had a servant quarter. There he has kept him. Because in the room he was destroying all the things. Okay. And what are the animals grandfather had in his private zoo? He had a lot of other animals like tortoise. See, tortoise was there. Rabbits, squirrel, goats. These all animals are already there in his private zoo. So there he has kept this newly purchased monkey whose name was Toto. But Toto was not a good animal. He was not well-behaved animal. He was actually mischievous. So he started disturbing all other animals who are kept in the private zoo. What are the private animals are there? Tortoise, rabbit, squirrel, these all things, goats, these all animals grandfather kept in his private zoo. And Toto started disturbing and teasing all other animals. So it was difficult for grandfather to keep all the animals in safe place, in one place. So what grandfather can do? He has to, he find it very difficult to keep Toto, where to keep it. But from the very beginning, grandfather was willing to keep Toto in his zoo, but grandmother did not like this animal. Grandmother did not like this monkey because monkey is not actually domestic animal. It is not pet animal. She knew that it is going to disturb all other animals. That's why from the very beginning, grandmother was very annoyed for keeping Toto in her room. In the meantime, what happened? Grandfather was actually pensioner. He has to draw pension. From Dehradun, he started going to Saharanpur. So on the way, he has to carry Toto in the train. Okay. Because he cannot be kept here, they started going by train. And if you carry some animals in the train, naturally the ticket checkers or the TTs, they will give objection. They thought it is a dog. There is a rule in the this one in the railway. If you carry a dog in the passenger train, you have to book a ticket for that, and there is a separate closet, separate chamber is there for the dogs. It is generally kept in the guard's chamber. So there you have to book it. The TT said it is a dog, so you have to pay extra and make a ticket for it. Grandfather said, no, it is not dog, it is monkey. Then he has revealed the face of the monkey and he has shown it. So after that, the TT said, okay, since it is a monkey, it is not a dog, you need not purchase a ticket. But after coming back again from Saharanpur, after drawing pension, he has again kept Toto in his private zoo and he started disturbing all other animals. So this time, finally, Toto has to be transferred from the zoo also. So he has kept in a stable. You know what is stable? Where the horses are kept. There one female horse was there whose name was Nana. Okay. So Toto started teasing Nana. He developed a friendship with Nana and he started teasing Nana also. So wherever Toto is kept, whether in the inside the house or in the drawing room or in the private zoo or in the stable along with the donkeys or horses, everywhere Toto started doing mischief. So grandfather ultimately thought Toto cannot be kept in the home. He has to be transferred from the home. He has to be driven out from the home, some other places. So in the winter, grandfather gave Toto a large bowl of water. Okay, because it was winter. So where the water was being boiled, the kettle was there. Toto started sitting on the kettle, and almost he has boiled his own body. So he was screaming and making shout, and almost that time grandmother could see that Toto was being boiled with the hot water, and somehow she saved her life. Okay. So next time what happened? See, come to this slide. Toto's mischief is not stopping. He is continuing. Day by day, he is continuing his travel. He tore up the dresses of the school dress, blazers, everything. Whatever he is getting, he is just destroying it. Toto ran up to the branches of the jackfruit trees, and even when pulao was prepared, he has taken the dish of the pulao on the tree, and from there he has thrown the dish towards the grandmother. And grandmother was almost going to get injured because Toto has thrown the dish towards her. Okay. So this way his mischief was continuing, and ultimately grandfather decided that Toto cannot be kept anymore in the house. So he has contacted the Tonga driver from where he has purchased this monkey. He has again sold it back to the Tonga driver. This way, grandfather and grandmother, they got relief from the mischievous monkey Toto. Okay. So this is about the adventure of Toto. Grandfather kept in the private zoo, thought it will be adventure of keeping a monkey in the zoo, but ultimately he landed in a lot of troubles, and he has to get relief of him and got rescued by giving the Toto again back to the person from where he has purchased. Understood? So this is all about